Wait, do it again.
You know it's alright. Gypsy Queen. You know it's alright. Gypsy Queen.
This is Clarice's Heine while she's dancing.
Woo! All right.
Oh, look at.
Yeah.
Go. Hey, Aaron, can you go over?
Share your sled, okay?
Get
Break
together.
off the crust in this nice powder and it.
Get together. Okay. Cheese. Nice face. Say that again.
Watch out below!
Hey!
Happy!
That was awesome. That was fun. Woohoo! Aaron, how are you feeling? Are you warming up? Yeah.
Watch out below.
Yes!
That's how it's supposed to work.
You go, big brother.
I'm afraid!
Can I push you?
Don't be afraid, Mom.
Thank you for letting me be a part of that.
Okay, go!
Oh yeah.
Ooh, see, we gotta do that outside.
Oh, I know. We went over a little steep jump there.
That's a better ride. Got it, Aaron.
I think that was $1 million right there.
Oh, you got
Can two Becker butts fit on this
all that dental work down the tubes.
Watch out, Hannah. And us.
Okay, that's fun.
Ken wins the award.
Ken, I want a replay on that. I didn't get that.
Ken, all right? You want to ride
Oh,
with
Ken's fine. He'll be bruised and sore tomorrow.
Watch out, Abe.
I looked at you. Oh, no.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, gosh. Get out of the way.
Whoa!
Up on your knees.
Hold on.
That's it.
Woo!
All the way up to the top. This is for Blue Cross.
Self-funded programs. Blue Cross.
Right.
It's in my wallet.
Okay. Is there a life insurance plan attached to it?
Dad, do you have life insurance?
No.
I do. I'll give you mine.
Just Jesus.
Okay.
That's behind
No
you.
breaking.
You look like you tried to run there for a minute.
I think.
Me and Hannah are making a fort. Hannah's taking a break.
Where are they? Where did they go? I don't see them. Oh, there they are.
Reese is like, come on, I'm going.
Hooah!
Ooh, you lost your backside.
Hooah!
Definitely. Every time you... Oh, man.
They just sort of accept it. You see it in the air like, we're going to hit.
hurts. It burns!
Okay, here comes Finn, Aaron. Watch out.
Go, dog, go.
Ready, go!
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's sharp. That was fun. Oh, that was fun.
You okay, Carl?
I'm not sure
Is
yet.
that when we get the Blue
Systems
Cross
check.
card out of your wallet?
Oh.
Oh.
Thank you.
It's safer.
You want to be like a wishbone.
Okay, move the sled. Move the sled. Okay.
Oh, I'm scared.
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Perfect.
Oh my gosh. That is
This
really
is the best.
frightening.
This is
Aiden.
all right, Jade.
Come on, Jade.
Bring it. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Nice one. Nice one. Nice.
Wait.
So tell us how you feel about that.
I feel good. It's a good run. It was a good run.
It was a good run.
Poor spleen.
Oh no.
Who did?
Bye, Rose. Bye, Fiona.
These are me and Hannah's
What?
icy things. We went down the river by accident, and then we found
Okay.
them, and it was cool. By accident.
Cool by
This is
accident.
By accident.
It was cool by accident. Let me see.
Oh, I have lunch stuff. I brought it down.
Very cool.
One.
Hannah's looks like a fish.
Is someone dancing?
Yeah. Oh, I'm deciding.
Go the other way.
I can't.
That was quick.
Couldn't shovel it.
Today is
It's quiet. Nobody else is out there.
Yeah, that's true.
January 3rd, 2008. And the Beckers, and there they are. And the Hulls, there they
Hey!
are. And we Sobons
Soban.
over there.
Hi, Soban. Soban.
And there's a Sobon.
And the other Soban's right here.
There's another one over there. Howdy, Sobon.
Where's Abaloo?
Have all come to the snow in Butte Meadows and are now snacking
She's right here.
on this fine stone snack feast.
Snacky.
Snack feast.
Malcolm's, wherever you are, we miss you.
Snack, snack.
And we send you love.
Are we ready to warm up our vehicles? Laurel is ready to warm up the vehicle.
Laurel apparently is, but I will do it.